everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I have a Tuesday morning haul. A couple months ago I went to Tuesday Morning because they were having a discount on all of their toys that they were wanting to get rid of before they brought in their Christmas toys. So I bought a ton of toys for my three girls. I have a 5-year-old, a 3-year-old, and a 1-year-old. So I'm very busy. If you are interested in seeing this Tuesday morning haul, please keep watching. Okay, so first, I got a bunch of big items. So this is an American Girl, like, Lego set. It's kind of like Legos, but obviously they can't say they're Legos but it's American Girl, which my 5-year-old really likes building things. She is more of a tomboy, so I don't know how much she'll like playing with these, but I know my 3-year-old will really enjoy these. And I just thought it was really different and something that they would really like. This is originally $40. It was on clearance for 40% off. There is a Black Widow outside of my, oh my gosh. Please hold. Okay, moving on. We're just gonna pretend that she or he is not here. I also got this ultimate easel. These are all the accessories, which I got an easel as well. Did I get an easel? I thought I did. Anyway, now I need to go find out. So it comes with chalk, paintbrushes, paint, the little containers, eraser, dry erase. I think, does it have dry erase? Yeah, so this brand is really good. My mother-in-law actually works with Tuesday Morning, and she said that this Alex brand is super high quality and that this stuff lasts a good amount of time. This is $15, which is a really good price anyway, but I got 40% off of that. Next we got the Timeless log building set. What are these called originally? This is not what they're normally called, I don't think. Anyway, Lincoln Logs and these fiddlesticks, which I think I know them as, okay, the spider is gone and now I'm kind of freaked out. Oh, ladybug. Don't get the ladybug. Oh my gosh, I can't watch. Okay, anyway, we got these for the girls. Again, I said my oldest, my 5-year-old, really likes building things, and so that's why we got that. This is $24.99, and I got it 40% off. This little bus, I got this for my 1-year-old. She loves this. My mother-in-law actually has this at her house, and so my kids have played with it before and they really love it, so I thought I would get one for my own kids. I believe it makes noise. All right, yeah, lights and sounds, and this was $20 with 40% off. This is the same brand. This is a take apart truck, so you can like take it and fix it, and like they've got all these little tools, and my kids would just love this, so I got this $14.99. Got this huge Roadster Racers Garage. This is Mickey Mouse. This was $30. Got it for 40% off. My 5-year-old's going to love this. My 3-year-old's going to love this, and my 1-year-old's going to love this. So this might just be a joint gift for everybody, or I might just give it to my 5-year-old. I haven't really gone through to see what presents I'm going to give to what kid and when. I haven't decided that yet, but I will. And then I got this Thomas Train set. These are so expensive, guys. This is normally $60, and then at Tuesday Morning it's $30, and then I got 40% off. So huge steal. My kids are going to love this. My daughter, my 5-year-old, always plays with trains whenever she sees them at somebody else's house, or we used to have one at the dance studio that we went to, so I had to get her this, especially when I saw the price. Okay, when I saw this, I was so excited. Okay, the thing is that you would think at like Tuesday Morning there's gonna be like random toys that aren't like name brand or whatever. This is like for real. Let's see, I can't remember. like sucks on the bottle, and I know he does, he can like go to sleep. Anyway, super cute. My 3-year-old is going to love this, and now it's going to be making noise the whole video. So this is, let's see, where's the price on this? Where is the price on this? I don't know. Maybe it fell off. Well, darn. Okay. I also got this little bathroom dollhouse playset. Me and my husband last year made our daughters a, sorry, I can't stop looking at this spider. We made our daughters a dollhouse last year, and that was a lot. But I made like all of the furniture myself, and my kids have destroyed it. So I wanted to get a little bathroom set for them. Anytime I find dollhouse furniture, I buy it, especially when it's a good price. This is $9.99, originally $19.99, and I got it 40% off. Or maybe I didn't. This one doesn't have a sticker on it, so it might have been full price. This is the Calico Critters. They have these. This was a little set with the furniture living room set. I thought it was so cute, and I was like, they could use this in the dollhouse, or they could just play with it normal, and I just couldn't pass it up. It's so cute. Originally $27.99 at other stores, $12.99 at Tuesday Morning, and then I didn't have a sticker on this one, so I probably paid 20% off of that $12. So it goes with the Thomas train. This is the actual train. Originally $30 at other stores, $10 at Tuesday Morning, and then I got 40% off. And for the last toy is this awesome fire engine. Again, I said like my kids love these kinds of things, and so I really kind of, if I saw any of these, especially this brand is super high quality. The stuff is just really well built, and I knew that my kids would like this. So I think what I might do, did I get 3 of them? I got 3 of them, so I'm probably gonna give each of my kids one of these. So this one was originally $20 at Tuesday Morning. It's $12.99, and then looks like I have a purple sticker on here, so it was maybe 20% off. I don't know, I can't remember their sticker colors, but that's it, guys. I got a lot, and you might think like, is that enough to be for Christmas and birthdays? But the thing is my kids are spoiled by their grandparents, so usually for Christmas, we don't go all out. We usually let them have each about 2 gifts, because there's already so many Christmas presents under the tree from aunts, uncles, grandmas, grandpas, just so many family that lives close by. So we don't really buy them as much as you maybe would if you didn't have family nearby, or not as many family members as we do. And then, yeah, I've got some different toys. My 2 daughters, my 3-year-old and my 1-year-old, have birthdays in January, so pretty much whatever they don't get for Christmas is going to be going to their birthday. Alright, so that is my haul from Tuesday Morning. I spent about $133. What? I was expecting it to be a lot more than that, and I was so shocked when I saw that price at the end of the receipt. $133 for 3 kids for birthdays and Christmas. Amazing. I'm so excited about it. I'm so excited that I don't have to do any more shopping for Christmas or birthdays. I'll probably buy a few things here and there, but for the most part, I am done, which is so great. If you liked this video, please go ahead and give it a like, subscribe if you want to see more, and I hope to see you guys around again. Bye.